Hello friends, today we have seen that social trade is totally migrated to the new platform which is consisting of new features and new way of social media networking. We all know that there were many rumors in the previous social trade website. So now they have changed their all work from social trade media to the new platform which is now www.friendsup.com. They have already changed the name from Free Hub to FriendsUp. So FriendsUp is the platform which is totally owned by the owner of the social trade, which is Anubhav Mittal. Now, this is the new notification which came on the 30th January. So in this, they have made lot of changes in the model and the approach. All and they have also cleared to everyone that nobody can use and misuse the name of the social trade because which is patented by the Anubhav Mittalji for forever. They have patented that social trade for forever, so nobody can use or misuse that social trade name or symbol. So misuse means we cannot use the name of social trade to type any kind of negativity in the media, because we have seen already in the past that there was many rumors, there were many negativity, many negative messages came in the media regarding social trade. But we also know this thing that that messages will not be was not typed by social media, that was marketed by the another multi-layer marketing companies and their employees. So new in this new uh, platform, what we can have. So first of all, I want to say that the task income, because we were worrying about our payment, we all are worrying about our payment. So it is also cleared by the company that the task payment from 23rd to 29th January, 23rd to 29th January, up to during this time, we will get the payment only for 3 days, means 23, 24 and 25. 26 and 27, 26 is the gusted holiday, 27 is the holiday for the task payment for the task, and 27 and 28 again is the holiday for Saturday and Sunday. So we will get the 3 days payment on. And also whoever got the promotional income up to 30th December, they will be this will be paid by up to 1st February, means day after tomorrow we will get up to this payment. Another thing, the task income from 8th to 15th January and the promotional income to 6th January will be remitted by the average info solution on 8th February. Hence we will get this payment up to 8th February. And the task income from 1st to 7th January and the promotional income up to 13th January, we will get this up to 15th February. It means all our pending payments we will get up to 15th January. So this will be cleared by the Ablaze, and the owner Anubhav Mittalji, that we will get all our payments for December and January, either it is daily income or either it is promotional income, all will be cleared up to 15th February. And also the promotional income from 27th January, means whoever will get the promotional income up to 27 January, whoever joined from the time period from 23 to 27, and whatever the promotional income has been made, that will be generated by the average info solution till 20th January. Generated means paid into your accounts. So till 22nd February, all pending payments of December and January will be paid by the company till 22nd this February. So this is all about the payments. This is all about the payments which is cleared by the company. Now they have already said that these are the new features. For the new features which consisting in the friendsup.com, kindly wait for my next video.